How to install WSA on Windows 11 without Microsoft Store outside US. If you want to run Android apps on Windows 11, you must have WSA installed on your computer. There are two ways to install Windows Subsystem for Android on Windows 11. The first method is for those who live in the US. They can simply install WSA from the Microsoft Store. However, if you live outside the US, you cannot find the app on the Microsoft Store, or you might get some error message on the Microsoft Store. So, to bypass these issues, I am going to show you how you can manually install Windows Subsystem for Android without Microsoft Store. So let's get started. We'll start with the prerequisites. First of all, WSA uses virtualization. So, to run WSA, virtualization must be enabled. You can check whether virtualization is enabled in the Task Manager. If virtualization is disabled, you need to enable it through the BIOS. Second, WSA will be needing a Windows component known as Virtual Machine Platform. You can enable it from the Windows Features page. Scroll down and check the box next to Virtual Machine Platform and you are done. Now we are ready to run WSA on the system. To download WSA outside the US, open this link on your browser. This website provides the WSA installation package, so we do not require Microsoft Store. Simply click on the drop-down and select Product ID. Then paste this ID into the search box. This is the product ID of WSA on the Microsoft Store. Then click the tick mark to search. At the bottom of the page, you'll find a file with a .msix bundle extension. This is the file we are looking for. It's around 1.35 GB. Download the file by clicking on this link. Guys, if you're using Google Chrome browser, Chrome might block the download of this file because of an unknown extension. If that's the case, you can use Firefox browser to download the file. Don't worry, the download's safe. Once the download's complete, right-click on the file and select Copy as Path. We'll install it using Windows PowerShell. So, run the PowerShell app as administrator. In the PowerShell, type add-apex package -path. Then paste the file path that we copied. Now, the Windows Subsystem for Android will install on your computer. After installation, you can access Windows Subsystem for Android and Amazon Store from the Start menu. Guys, remember, even if you manage to bypass the restriction and install WSA on your system, you must have a US-based Amazon account to get your hands on the Android apps. Luckily, once you have the WSA installed on your system, you can sideload Android apps in Windows 11. If you want to learn how to sideload Android apps in Windows 11, we have already made a video on that. You can watch that video by clicking on the link on your screen. Also, make sure to click the subscribe button to see more videos from us. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.